Okay, let's open up this sessions together. This is the last screw. I'm going to come back and take the whole dial off here, and so the dial and bevel I can clean really nicely. It's all in place. Oh wow, there she came. Look at this bevel, beautiful. Back side of the dial obviously got wear and tear on it. We're going to clean that up. Clean all this off, polish this. Be very careful with the metal around the numbering. Sessions. Let's see what we got here. And keep these screws in a nice little place so don't lose them. It wants to tick like crazy. It's just doing such a good job. Beautiful cam right here. This is for the chime. But remember, our chime train needs a new power wheel. But it works fine if we have power to it, it seems. So I just wanted to look at it and take off the face and see if I can see any kind of date. I'm not seeing anything right now. Marks. Look at those beautiful chimes. Gorgeous gears. Love that cam. Alright. Sessions, we're going to clean it up nice and let it just be a ticker for now. Alright.